Me. Go fast and tuck those feet up. Go this way.
Keep going.
Get some speed. Tuck them up. Nice. See you later. Throw some rocks in the river. Try to stay dry, right? Keep your feet dry. Pick up a rock and throw it. You want to go in the lake?
Yeah.
Don't go in there. No, don't go in there. You're gonna get wet. No, don't, please. Not yet. We'll go at the end of the walk. We're just getting started.